Shuchi Nagpal, CEO, Asian School of Cyberlaws. For one, welcome to the certificate program in Cybercrime and Cyberlaw. I hope until now you've enjoyed the journey of this program with us. I'm sure you've learned a great lot and it's now time to test what you have learned. So this video is basically explaining how you can go about taking your examination for the certificate program. I would suggest that you first log in to ASCL1. This is your online study platform which is available at asianlaws.org/1. This is where you're supposed to log in. Now obviously my login ID is already fed in. I log in with this. When you go to exam details, you will see that the exam URL has been provided here. Also, the exam date is given. Now, considering that your examination is on the given date, let's try and see how you can take your examination on that date. So, you can copy this link, you can paste it in another browser. I've already done that. As you can see, I'm on the exam site. Now obviously here I will have to log in. Again, my login ID has already been fed in. The login ID that you use to log into ASCL1 is the same that you will be using here as well. I fill in my login ID details and click on login. This is how it shows. This is my account page on this particular website. We've tied up with ErgoSkills to provide the examination system for the certificate in cybercrime and cyberlaw. As you scroll down, you can see the courses that you're enlisted for. If you scroll further down, you'll also be able to see some of the other free courses that are being conducted by ErgoSkills. That is not something that you should be looking at right now. Coming back, when you click on your course name, it takes you to this page. As you can see, it has some of the details. Here, the only content is your certificate in cybercrime and cyberlaw examination, as this is our exam platform for this course. You click on that. As you can see, it has brought us to this page where it gives the button Start Quiz. When you click on Start Quiz, it will take you to the quiz where you will be starting your examination. Now, before you start your examination, you need to understand a few things. One, whatever time you log in, you will get a total of 2 hours to complete the examination. Two, the examination entirely consists of short case studies, and these case studies have a true or false answer. You will be required to answer whatever questions you can. At the end of 2 hours, your exam will automatically be submitted. So if you've not completed your questions by the time those 2 hours get over, your exam will still get submitted. If you have completed it, you can just leave it and it will get done on its own time. As soon as you complete all the questions, it will automatically show you your marks. And of course, we will get a notification that you've completed your examination. Now, let's start the quiz and see what kind of questions there are. So you will get a few sample questions. Also understand, even if you're sitting with a friend, both of you will get different questions because these questions are randomly being picked up from a database. Since this exam is automated to such an extent, we will not be able to show you the answers of the correct answers after the quiz. Let's start the quiz by clicking on this button. It says the quiz is loading. Let's wait for a few minutes. Now you can see that this is the first question. Here I will choose either false or true. As soon as you've completed the 50 questions which are there in this quiz, you will immediately be shown the marks. You can click either false or true. The minute you do that, you can then click next. So let me just Good. I click next. When I click next, it also gives me the option of going back and changing the answer to that I had marked earlier, right? So you will be able to change your answers until the 50 questions get over, at which point of time you will see your marks. The passing percentage for the course is 40%. If you have scored anything higher than 40%, congratulations, you would have cleared the course, and very soon we will send your certificate to you. I wish you all the best. I hope you have a wonderful time taking the examination also, and go away from this course feeling that you have really learned something. Bye-bye.